Hello guys, this is Vysh. So what happened on September 12 in history? You can see the pictures behind me. One is like they're telling Gandhi family the name is a scam. Okay, so this Assam chief minister has told yesterday in one of the meetings he was addressing that he told like there are many scams in India. So the Gandhi family name is a scam. Okay, because Mahatma Gandhi and the Gandhi family right now has no connection actually. It's because there was a person called Feroz Gandhi who married Indira Gandhi. They took that name, okay, Indira Nehru, and took that name, and then that became Gandhi from there. Okay, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Sanjay Gandhi, then Rahul Gandhi, now after Priyanka Gandhi, and their children also all are Gandhis. Okay, so that our context is not that scam. Our context today is Feroz Gandhi's I think birth anniversary. Okay, so that is the importance of September 12, one of the importance. And then the other picture you can see, United Nations Day for South-South Cooperation. Okay, so South-South means I told you already there is a northern world and a southern world based on developed and non-developed or developing. Okay, so even Australia, which is there in the southern hemisphere, they are part of the north. Okay, so South people to cooperate with each other, they made a day which was earlier I think August some day or something, and they shifted it to September 12 recently, meaning not recently, 2010-11 time. So from that day, September 12 is the United Nations Day for South-South Cooperation. So we'll see 4-5 important things like this which happened today on September 12. Before that, make sure that you go and watch the interesting videos which are done today. Okay, already the Plums episode of CSAT MCQs, Unlimited MCQs we have done. Then we have this India, Middle East, Europe, and the end of China's Belt and Road Initiative. Okay, which is a very, very important and big thing which you should study because there is a chance that the new projects, if implemented properly, China's Belt and Road Initiative will start losing value. Okay, because already because of huge corruptions and huge money pumped in, and then they capturing lot of land of other countries, China's impression in the world is very bad. So India, Saudi Arabia, USA, Europe, everybody is coming together and making a new thing called India, Middle East, Europe, which is actually part of something called PGII. Okay, a Partnership for Growth and Infrastructure Investment, which already is there since 1.5 years. So that and this together I have explained in detail in 2 parts, very small video, 18 minutes and 20 minutes. Please go and watch it. Okay, else after that when the exam, when question comes, don't tell that it was a difficult question. Okay, I have taught you everything for prelims and mains in these 2 videos. It's already published. Please go and watch it. Okay, and then like this upcoming also I have planned some things which are important, which doesn't come in the editorials but are important news items. One is the Global Biofuel Alliance, then the G20's complete summit summary and the outcomes, and then a gravity hole has been discovered under the Indian Ocean. So that's a very small news item, but I'll just quickly do it because one student asked me to do it. Okay, so whatever you request, I am doing it. Just support and keep telling that in comment section. Okay, and today's Hindu editorial also is interesting about the food insecurity. That also we'll discuss. Okay, and then the important things, if you see, the first one is United Nations Day for South-South Cooperation since 2011, meaning before that also this day is there, but September 12 date was decided in 2011. So in that itself they have something called the triangulation cooperation also, triangular cooperation, meaning the South countries in one side, then the multilateral institutions, the banks, that in one side, World Bank and Asian Bank and all, and then we have the donors, other people who donate and all, developed countries, from the donators from the developed countries, so these 3 as a triangle, a cooperation. That is the intention of this South-South Cooperation Day, where they can all come together and help in funding, in infrastructure, in technology sharing, in resource sharing. That is the overall idea of this particular day. Then I told you Feroz Gandhi's birth anniversary. He is like INC, Indian National Congress person, husband of Indira Gandhi, and that is the reason. Okay, father of Rajiv Gandhi. Okay, so his name, okay, Gandhi or Gandhi, that's actually this thing, I think shopkeepers or merchants and all, something in Gujarat side or something, they have a traders community people are Gandhi, I think. So that name he had, so that name these people took, and then now everybody is Gandhi. That's why Assam's chief minister yesterday told the first scam in independent India is the title scam. Okay, so that is a political thing that we don't need. We need just the Feroz Gandhi's basic information. Then Laconia sunk. So Laconia, actually here again the date is not important. 1942, there is a world war when it's going on. The German U-boat. So U-boat is nothing but the submarines. Germany used to call them U-boat. Hitler used to call it U-boat. That is the information I wanted to give you. German U-boat sank a British ship. Okay, so that is Laconia, the name of the ship, and killed more than 1,400 people. But after attacking, then only they realized most of the passengers inside the ship are Italian people. Okay, and Italy is in Germany's side in the war. So then the captain Werner Hartenstein, he realized that, and then he went to this thing, rescue them also. A rescue mission also was there. So this was one sad event which happened in the World War II. Then 1959, Soviet Union launched the Luna 2, okay, which was the first space probe to hit the moon. So you know, that time space war was going on between Russia and the USA, and Russia was number one everywhere. The first human being went to space, the first man and female both went to space, a dog went to space, the first vehicle went to space, they landed on the moon, everything, okay, vehicle, okay. That is why, to counter that, USA told we landed the human on in 1969, and after that the space race was over. After that nobody did anything. So that thing, even now it is debatable whether they actually went, because the video clip and all is still there, which is totally unbelievable. Okay, they are landing and somebody is already shooting in different angles, they are jumping around the moon, then they are going in a vehicle, a car kind of proper vehicle, they are driving in the moon, then they came back also. That is the biggest thing. And on top of this, all this was live broadcasted in 1969, live broadcasted across the globe. This and all is not believable, but or they had some magic technology which now vanished somehow. Okay, however it is, that is now we believe moon first person to land is Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin in 1969. Okay, so this, if you see Luna 2, now you would have heard Luna 25 crash landed on the moon. When Chandrayaan 3 was going, Russia's Luna 25 was going. So Luna 2, one of the earliest Luna missions, went on this date, September 12, 1959. Then September 12, 1992, another space news, the first African-American woman, Dr. Mae Jemison, goes into space in Space Shuttle Endeavour. So again, there also the African woman, that's also we call like woman, African woman, then minority. Like in India we say minority, scheduled caste, there they tell the white and black kind of thing. Okay, so this events happened on September 12. Hope it was useful to you. Now wait for the other episodes, and meanwhile current affair PDFs and all, you can watch all my free videos, you will get most of the knowledge. But again, to solve questions, you have to see it in a question format. In the exam, you have to see it in a question format. That is what is there in the current affair test PDF. All these things which I am teaching you for free will be there in MCQ format, notes format, which you can enroll in these packages, and that will do only good to you. Okay, so if you are serious about UPSC, please try to enroll to this before the offers and all expires, and study well. Okay, don't take it lightly. I want serious aspirants to pass, so don't take it lightly. So I'll wind up this video, wait for the editorial. Thank you and have a nice day.